Welcome to my YouTube channel, Road Rider. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first sporty ride or an experienced rider seeking a fun, agile machine for daily riding or light track use, this video has you covered. We'll explore its design, performance, ergonomics, aesthetics, riding experience. What's new for 2025, competitor context, and whether it still holds its place in the segment. At the end, stick around for my final thoughts and subscribe for more two-wheel action. Let's begin with what remains familiar for 2025, the Kawasaki. Ninja 400 continues its storied legacy as a 399cc liquid-cooled four-stroke parallel twin. Sportbike first introduced in 2018 as a successor to the Ninja 300 Wikipedia. It's assembled in Thailand and also Brazil and still classified as a sport bike. Proudly carrying forward its accessible yet sporty DNA Wikipedia, the core mechanical package remains unchanged for 2025. You're still looking at that same engine producing around 44 to 45 horsepower, roughly 44.8 to 49 horsepower claimed at 10,000 revolutions per minute. With around 38 newton meters, torque, www.ndtv.com, Bike Whale, Wikipedia. Tear quick shifts. Streetable power and predictable performance. www.ndtv.com, Bike Whale, Wikipedia. In terms of chassis, it preserves its steel frame, lightweight yet sturdy, giving the Ninja 400 its acclaimed agility, Kawasaki Wikipedia. The suspension is conventional, telescopic front forks, and a rear monoshock. Designed to balance comfort and sporty feel, www.ndtv.com, Bike Whale, Wikipedia. Braking is provided by a front disc and rear disc on 17-inch wheels, with ABS available on many trims. www.ndtv.com, Bike Whale, Wikipedia.225 updates. What's new? Now what's fresh for the 2025 model? Primarily, its aesthetic updates. Kawasaki hasn't changed the mechanicals, but rolled out two new color schemes for the KRT edition. Departing from the classic lime green, now available in metallic matte, graphene steel gray x metallic flat spark black and metallic, spark black x metallic magnetic dark gray, www.ndtv.com, Bike Whale. These fresh liveries give the bike a more modern, stealthy vibe, while maintaining those sharp, aggressive lines that the Ninja lineup is known for. www.ndtv.com, Kawasaki. Design and ergonomics, though the overall bodywork mirrors its predecessors. The Ninja 400 remains a standout in styling. That slim, sculpted fuel tank accentuates the sporty profile, while the dual headlights and flowing fairing give a purposeful, modern look. www.ndtv.com, Kawasaki. Ergonomically, Kawasaki nails the balance between race-ready and rider-friendly. The seat height is a low 785 millimeters, about 30.9 in. It's perfect for most riders to plant their feet at stops, while the narrow design makes it even more accessible. Kawasaki Bideko. Clip-on style handlebars give sport bike posture without stressing your wrists. Foot pegs are slightly rear set, but comfortable for both city and spirited riding. Kawasaki. The cockpit offers a high-grade dash with multifunction instrumentation, including gear position indicator and LED lighting, dual LED headlamps. Modern amenities that feel premium in this segment. Kawasaki. Performance and ride feel on the road. The parallel twin engine punches above its displacement with prompt throttle response and a broad usable power band. Horsepower figures about 44 to 45 horsepower, and torque, around 38 newton meters, give spirited roll-ons and beginner-friendly power. www.ndtv.com, Bike Whale, Wikipedia. The ride remains light and agile, ideal for carving through city traffic and flicking through twisties. The light curb weight of about 168 kilograms wet only reinforces that nimble feel. Bike Deco. Braking is confidence-inspiring. Featuring a 310mm front disc class leading in its category and ABS assistance Kawasaki Wikipedia. That slipperless clutch is a big plus. Smooth shifts on downshifts and easier lever feel make the ride less fatiguing. Kawasaki fuel economy is also noteworthy. Many owners report solid city mileage, while official figures show around 24 kilometers per L in city and 29 kilometers per L on the highway bike deco. That makes it an excellent commuter too. Rider and community feedback. Let's look at what riders say in forums like our Kawasaki. Consensus is clear. I've read nothing but good reviews for the 400, and even have heard that it's the damn near perfect starter bike. Final thoughts: the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 doesn't reinvent the formula, and it doesn't need to. New riders will find its approachable performance and confidence-inspiring dynamics ideal. Experienced riders appreciate its smooth, precise handling, light curb weight, and great aftermarket support. The updated paint schemes offer fresh style appeal, reinforcing that the Ninja 400 is still relevant and desirable in its segment. Whether it's for city commuting, spirited canyon carving, or occasional track days, the 2025 Ninja 400 continues to be a top choice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.